Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are doing an Ulta haul, and I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably like, someone please tell this girl to stop buying makeup. But I can't. It's just, I love it so much and I have so much fun with it. And I actually had a gift card and I got a bunch of great stuff that I'll be able to use in the future and ooh, I'm just so excited to show you guys what I got. Yes, I said excited. Deal with it. I'm going to be going down the list of all the things that I purchased. I'm just going to show you guys one by one exactly what I got. It says one by one, shows you four. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I purchased 4 Ulta liners and 3 of them are the automatic liners, and then one is this beautiful gel eyeliner in the shade Halo. Now I purchased this one because I purchased these because they were buy one get one free, and normally I would just buy 2, so I bought 2 and also got 2 for free. So I got this one. This is the gel eyeliner in the shade Halo. It's a white, pearly, really just beautiful eyeliner. And I actually picked this up because I want to do a makeup for glasses video. If you guys would be interested in seeing that, comment down below and let me know. Everyone says that if you're gonna wear makeup with glasses that you should wear a white or nude liner. And I didn't have one, so I had to pick one up. I picked up 2 eyeliners in the shade Matte Cobalt and Matte Brown. These are a really great formula. They last a long time on my waterline, and I have watery eyes. If you guys have any recommendations for an eyeliner that lasts, let me know, because I really want to buy the Marc Jacobs one, but I'm a little bit on the cheap side, so Ulta it is. No shade though, I love Ulta. So I also picked up this automatic lip liner in the shade Wine. I always wear a dark lip for shows, and I recently ran out of my Wet n Wild lip liner, which performed pretty well, but I wanted to try Ulta's version. So all of the liners retail for $8 originally, but because they were buy one get one free, they were $3.79 each. Your girl loves a bargain. While we're talking about eye stuff, I wanted to show you guys this NYX Glitter Goals in the shade Crystal Ball. Now I picked this up because, you know, I love the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow, but I'm always looking for a glitter dupe because I go through a lot of it. So I picked this up because when I swatched it in the store, it seemed very similar to the Stila one, and I'm looking forward to trying it. It looked super beautiful when swatched on my hand, but you know, everything performs a little differently on the eye, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. So this usually retails for $8. I got it for $7.59 because I don't know why, I'm special, I guess. You guys, I picked up some brushes. You know I cannot resist. These are the Essence brushes, and one is the Smokey Eyes brush. This is like a pencil where you can use underneath the eye, along the waterline, or I picked it up because I don't have an inner corner highlight brush. And I don't like to really mix my brushes because then you have to wash them more. I wash my brushes, but not every time I use them. I like to make sure I have my light colors, one of my light colors, and my dark colors, one of my dark colors. It just makes everything easier. So I also picked up this eye blender brush. Now I picked this one up because, as you can see, the shape is a little bit different than anything that I have. It really truly is a fluffy blender. It's the opposite of being tapered. It is quite large at the end, and I think it's going to be really great to just fluff color into the crease. They feel pretty soft, like not super duper soft, but I think that they will work just fine, and I plan on letting you guys know how they perform. These brushes are only $1.89 a piece, so if you're looking for some brushes, I would recommend checking them out. Obviously, I'm a sucker for Morphe, love Morphe brushes, so I'd recommend those as well. I always use the 506 and the 33O. Those ones are my holy grails. So if you guys need some brushes, hit me up, let's go brush shopping. So I also picked up another gloss. You know, I like to try things that are more budget friendly for, you know, you guys, but also for my own wallet's sake. And this one really called to me because it's only $2.84. This is the Essence ShineShineShine Wet Look Lip Gloss, and I love the way this smells, you guys. Like, Oh, it smells like something from my childhood, but I can't remember what it is, but I will definitely let you know when I do remember. Yeah, smells good. This applicator is more of like a triangle shape, but then it also curves inward, so it really like hugs your lips as you put it on. And I really enjoy it so far. This might be replacing everything else that I use. I've been in the market for a lip gloss and I really wanted to try the Buxom stuff because I've tried it before and I love it. But again, trying to stay a little budget conscious here, and I think it's just all around a good deal. So the next thing that I picked up because it was on sale, and usually this retails for $7, but my Ulta had it for $3.50, so you know I picked it up. And you're probably like, girl, you do not need any more eyeshadow palettes, but I got one, so what are you gonna do? This is the Provocative palette from their Reloaded series, and I absolutely am just obsessed with this color story. I mean, the purple, mauve type browns, I just love it. I love warm eye looks. I love purples, and I'll definitely be putting this to use. It has a lot of pinks in there as well, and I just want to like just like that. This retails for $7. I got it on sale, so check out your local Ulta because you never know what they're gonna have cooking down there. Okay, the last thing, you guys, was the reason that I went to Ulta to begin with, because I've been in the market for a palette that has lots of different colors in it. If you guys have heard about anything that's going on coming up here on this channel pretty soon, I plan on doing a color series, and I needed a palette that had the rainbow in it, so that is exactly what I got. I got the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is the original, this is not the Rio version, but that's okay because I wanted the mattes and the Rio is like the shimmers. So definitely am super ready to play with this because look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, it is so bright and beautiful. There are so many wonderful colors in here, and everything from, you know, reds and pinks all the way up to your purples and blues. And I plan on combining this with the Morphe 39A to create some really cool looks, and also using some glitter and stuff. Like, I just cannot wait to show you guys. So basically, every color of the rainbow. If you guys have a request, you want to see a certain look done, let me know. I am so ready to dive into this and I cannot wait. As you can see, the pan size is a little small online. When I was looking at this, I kind of was concerned about it, but then when I looked at it in store, I was like, wow, okay, they really are small, you know, because we're used to bigger pans now, and that's just the way that brands are leaning. And I think that that's great because then you get more product, more bang for your buck. But at the end of the day, I chose this one over the James Charles palette because I don't plan on doing a ton of colorful looks. So the smaller pan size does not really bother me all that much. I'm really just kind of experimenting with it, and this one was half the price. So like I said, this is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and it's really fun, super colorful. There's 35 colors in here. They are pressed pigments, and it says, capture the excitement of Rio's Carnival, wearing intense brights from this Take Me Back to Brazil 35 color pressed pigment palette, a rainbow of super pigmented, buildable, blendable mattes, satins, and shimmers that make a stunning statement. So you guys know, I like to make a statement. You're like, what? Who is this girl? What's wrong with her? There's so many things, like I don't even know where to start. Okay, so when you purchase this in stores, retails for $20. I know that they were having a sale on the BH Cosmetics site, so if you purchase it online, you might be able to scoop up a sale and then also use like an affiliate code. I do not have one, but if you search them or if you download Honey, which I would recommend doing, you just install it into your browser and you click the little orange H when you're online shopping, and it literally just saves you money. It's awesome. So if you guys do that, you might be able to find a good sale on this, but also just check out BH palettes in general because they have some great color payoff, and honestly, they're super pigmented. This is a pigment palette, so obviously this one will be, but I loved the Zodiac one that I swatched. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I'll link that video right her so you guys can see it. And yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how I like this, and stay tuned for that color series coming at you within the next month or so. Alright you guys, we made it. We made it through. It wasn't a whole lot. I'm being dramatic. Yeah, I don't know. But we did some damage, and very, very thankful to be able to show you guys what I got. So if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell for notifications, and of course give this video a like, a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because then I'll know to make some more. I'm gonna make some more anyway though. You guys are like, what? Anyway, thank you guys again so much for being here. I will see you in my next one. Stay tuned.